Hi, welcome back into my channel. Thanks for joining me. So today I would like to show you how I made the snowflake pom-pom garland. Most DIYers, people who are making these garlands, they are using yarn to make the pom-pom for the snowball. But in this video, I'm going to show you the one item that I use to make the pom-poms, and it came from the Dollar Tree. So come on in and I'm going to show you the less and inexpensive way to make these pom-poms for this garland. So what I used was a feather duster from the Dollar Tree, some yarn from Walmart, and this is a thicker type yarn. It's not the thin yarn that the Dollar Tree has. Now the first thing I did was section off the feather duster to the size of the snowball that I wanted it to be. Take a rubber band and section it off like I'm doing here. And then the next thing I'm going to do is take a piece of the yarn and I'm going to tie it in the center of the section, which would be the center of where this particular snowball would be. And I'm knot it off. And then you'll see here, I'm just going to cut it off of the handle that it's on. So I wanted 9 feet of garland, and I made enough of these little balls to create 9 feet, and it took 3 of the feather dusters to do that. And so the next thing I did was cut off 3 9-feet pieces of yarn, and I'm going to braid them together to make it thick enough so that I can add the pom-poms on there. Now, some people that crochet, if you have a crochet needle and you know how to do the chain stitch, then you can also crochet it. But I didn't have a crochet needle. I haven't crocheted in years. So I just decided to braid it because it's basically going to look the same. And then I took this yarn needle and thread the pom-pom through the yarn needle to add it on to my yarn that I braided together. I went through some of the stores trying to find the pom snowball garland, and all I saw in the stores were the cream or the off-white ones, and then the white balls like ornaments, but I wanted the pom snowball look, so I didn't find any, so that's what gave me the idea to do this. After I've added all of the balls on, I went back through to cut off all of the excess yarn, pieces of yarn that was hanging off there. Now my next step is to make my tassel for the ends of this garland. And I found a piece of cardboard to wrap the yarn to make the tassel, and the cardboard is the size of how long I would want the tassel to be. And so I'm wrapping it maybe about 50 times, I would say. I really wasn't counting it. So I just wrapped it to make the tassel. Now keep in mind, this is the way that most people are making the little pom-poms by using the yarn, wrapping the yarn this way, and they're making the pom-poms doing this as well as tassels. And I came up with using the feather duster because it's a whole lot less expensive to do using the feathers from the feather duster than using this yarn. And the last thing I did was add in the tassel the same way I added all of the poms, snowballs on the yarn. So I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up. I hope it was helpful for some of you who like to make this style of garland and using yarn for your pom-poms. This is a less expensive way by using the feather duster from the Dollar Tree. So like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you can receive future notifications on all of the rest of my videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.